everybody.
Hello everybody, welcome again to Mama's Easy Country Cooking. We got a little something different today for you. This is a recipe Mama has never made. We're going to be upfront and honest about that. But since we've noticed everybody's loving those little 1, 2, 3 dessert, easy made desserts, we're going to show y'all this one because Mama has been following this lady. Here's the book. This is where we get this recipe. Mrs. Kathy Mitchell. It's called a dump cake. And y'all, this deserves to be shown. Mama, show us how to make that according to the way Miss Kathy Mitchell does it.
Okay, I'm glad to be back with y'all today. Like I said earlier today, today's experiment day.
That's right.
This is test kitchen day.
Test kitchen day.
We tested other people's recipes today. But we enjoy doing it. It's fun. Okay, I got a little can of spray, canola spray.
Okay.
And the first thing she says is spray your pan lightly. So we're going to give it a spray or two. Okay, that's light enough. And the next thing we're going to do, we got a Betty Crocker yellow cake mix. We're going to use probably about half of it. The cherry pie filling goes first. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put half of the cherries, or maybe whatever it takes to fill the bottom of your pan. I got a littler pan. So if you got one a little bit bigger, that's fine. A little bit smaller, that's fine.
Yeah, that's the 8 by 8 that you got there.
He said it was an 8 by 8. Looks like I might take the whole can. I was kind of hoping that it wouldn't, or I could eat them. The rest of the cherries.
That's right. Things are good.
They're good on anything. Ice cream, pies, cakes. Okay, I've got the little pan full. Spread them out. Make sure the bottom's covered. Now the book shows a pretty cake. We'll see, because Mama's doing it today. Yeah, it's got a pretty picture, whether it makes a pretty cake or not, I don't know. Now comes the cake mix. And we're only going to use about half of it.
Okay.
And according to her, this is all you're doing. You're sprinkling the cake mix over the cherries, covering them all. Remember, this experiment day.
Yeah, we're like y'all. We want to find these recipes that are so easy to put together right quick, at the last minute.
All right, that looks like we got it. We didn't quite use half of our cake mix.
Okay. Got them covered real good. Maybe about a ½ inch of cake mix on it.
And now, she said to pour a ½ cup of melted margarine.
You know, just drizzle it over the top.
Butter or margarine, whichever one you have. So just go around it. Drizzle it all over the top. Make sure you get it covered good. Your oven has been preheating to 350. And this is supposed to bake for 45 minutes.
All right.
Okay, that's got it. And now it's going to go to the oven.
At 350 for, you say, around 45 minutes.
350 for 45 minutes. That's what it looks like.
All right, everybody. We'll see y'all in about 45 minutes.
Okay, everybody, we're back again, and today we made the dump cake. We tested it in our kitchen today to see if we liked it, and it cooked out perfect. And you can see I took some out to taste it. This is taste time for cherry cobbler pie.
Now, it was in the oven for 45 minutes.
45 minutes was in the oven at 350.
Okay.
And another thing, when you make this, it don't have to be cherry. You can put peaches, blueberries, as long as it's a pie filling
Right.
that you're looking for. So
Okay.
we're going to taste it now. It sure does look good. Stuff I like to eat.
Is it good?
That is delicious.
All right.
Thumbs up.
3 ingredient cherry cobbler. Like Mama said to everybody, you can use any kind of filler. You know, we use the cherry filler. They got all kind of fillers, you know, for pies and stuff that you can use. And also another thing, this cake, it cooked for 45, it baked for 45 minutes, but what else you had to do, Mama? Because it wasn't brown enough.
Mine wasn't quite this brown when the timer went off. So she says in her recipe that you can turn the broiler on and let it broil for maybe a minute, but watch it very closely because it browns fast.
Yeah.
So I did. I turned the broiler on and left it for about close to a minute and got mine this brown. So that's made it a lot better and tastier. And another thing, only thing I see it's liking is a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Y'all enjoy it because it's really good. Today was test day. We've enjoyed being with you. So I've got to say bye now. And I'll see you the next time on Mama's Easy Country Cooking.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. We really appreciate it.